going through our channel page, this dash cam will have a backup for 4 days और every 4 days में ये rewrite हो जाएगा. तो फ्रंट और बैक दोनों कैमरा इट्स रिकॉर्डिंग. इसका वीडियो है हमारे चैनल लिंक पेज पे. यू कैन गो एंड हैव अ लुक द इंस्टॉलेशन वीडियो. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव दिस क्वेश्चन अबाउट दिस चार्ज एंड द रेंज.
I've also seen that most people are asking questions that what is the range. Now to clarify, right, just got the delivery of the car last week, I think, like 100 to 0, you know, what is the range that the car can give. Bangalore में गाड़ी चलाना मतलब इतना, मतलब सैटरडे नाइट को निकले हैं इस तरफ तो जा ही नहीं सकते. हमेशा सोचते हैं कि कभी
गोपालन मॉल,
कभी सोचता हूँ कि गोपालन अपटाउन मॉल में जाऊँ, लेकिन अब इस तरफ जाना ही नहीं होता है बिकॉज ऑफ you know so much traffic. So old Madras road is like completely clogged. There has to be something that needs to be done, you know. People do say other cities also have traffic, but Bangalore जैसा मुझे नहीं लगता है कि एशिया में कोई ऐसा जगह होगा. कूल रखते हैं अपने आप को, लेकिन people, you know, they are not cool. They are driving very rashly because they are also in that situation, right, in the traffic. Just now there was one guy in a bike, he was just completely drunk. Abhi what will they do also, so much traffic is there. So मेरे गाड़ी में और सामने वाले गाड़ी में थोड़ा सा गैप मिला, उसमें से वो बाइक घुसा के इधर से जाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. आगे में मार दिया, फिर उसको बोला क्यों मारा, तो फिर that's the thing, right? You cannot get into those like skirmishes, right? Everybody is hot-headed because of this traffic. But you know, that's how it is, like life in cities like Bangalore, and I think, you know, the majority of the cities in India has been like this. But yeah, regardless, what I was talking about what in the channel, most of the questions that are coming in is about the range, right? So on the range part, let me clear you that, you know, I haven't driven enough to test the full range of the car. All I see is what is the mileage, as you can say, that we get in the electric car, which is not kilometer per liter, but it is kilometer per kilowatt hour, right? So you have, so like this car has around 52 kilowatt. अभी मुझे, अगर देखो अभी सिटी में मैं चला रहा हूँ, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक में चला रहा हूँ, तो now it is showing around 6.8 kilometer पर किलोवाट आवर, राइट? लेकिन एवरेज में मैं देख रहा हूँ कि 7 के आसपास आ रहा है मुझे. तो अगर 7 आए तो मोर और लेस 350 किलोमीटर का रेंज आता है एक चार्ज में, राइट? लेकिन उसमें फिर आपको ये भी देखना पड़ेगा कि
what is it showing now?
It is right now showing 6.8 because we have been stuck in traffic for a very long time, right? And it's a very bad traffic now we are. You can show the condition.
Okay, घुराता हुआ कैमरा स्टॉप करो.
Yeah, this is what is the condition of the traffic, right? This is we are entering KR-Puram.
More than half an hour we are in this kind of traffic.
We are into bumper to bumper traffic. Very, very, you know, like usually on Fridays this side the traffic is really, really bad. All right, but then you only get Saturdays to go to office every weekday, and then, you know, only time that you can go out is
Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, Saturdays and Sunday, and Saturdays are like this, right? Heavy traffic, and it has started raining also. That might also affect you know, the traffic. So yeah, I mean, just to give you the fact, 350 किलोमीटर का रेंज आना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द कैलकुलेशन. मैथ्स करे तो अभी हाईवे में क्या आएगा क्या नहीं आएगा, you know, in this car that will come to know. लेकिन you know, I also did my research before buying the car, before even taking the test drive also. The person who was giving the test drive, who came, right, so he was saying that you will get around 400, but I was a little skeptical, right? I'm still skeptical. I think that it would be around 350 kilometers that you can get in one charge, right? Now we will have to check that, right? How much do we really get? And according to me, right, the other choices that we have, like in this range, right, the other choices, the Mahindra XCV9, which will also give almost the same, range, I think, right? A little bit here and there. It has a bigger battery pack, but at the same time it has a lot of more power also, right? A lot more power than this. So in this car it is like smooth, it is tuned. You don't need so much power on a day-to-day basis, right? Like the way that we are using right now, right? We are going to a mall type of situation, and most of the time this is what we are going to be dealing with. The good thing is, we are in a very, very silent sort of in a silent place, because there is a lot of noise in the outside, right? We are rarely hearing all that noise from the traffic because of the glass, right? Like if someone is talking loudly also from this side, right, I cannot hear, because the noise cancellation is there. I know that probably there is better noise cancellation in XCV9 and all, but this is also livable. It's not bad. I have also heard that in the highway you hear a lot of road noise and all that, probably, but how much of a problem will that create will only come when I do that, right? It's really a problem. So we also do a little bit of highway runs while we are going here and there. Sometimes we hit the highways also, right? I think that's manageable. It's not that bad. So yeah, I mean, to answer your question, range, you should be getting around 350. That should be in your mind what exactly I am getting. I'll be please subscribe to this channel, because many of you are already an EV owner, or you're planning to buy this car, or you already own this car, right? So it would be beneficial, right, for all of us to share some knowledge.
Yes, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, एंड प्लीज़ शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. इससे हम लोग को किया का जो ईवी कम्युनिटी है, और नॉट ओनली किया, फॉर ऑल द अदर ईवी कम्युनिटी ऑल्सो, वी कैन शेयर आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस, नॉलेज, एंड वी कैन एनरिच आवर सेल्फ, और वी कैन पास ऑन द मैसेज ऑल्सो. जबकि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट भी ईवी को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. तो
yeah, the other question that people are asking, although I have posted how you can decrease the time for charging with that default charger that we get from with this car, which is like the normal 3-pin which can fit on the normal 3-pin socket, right? So there is a way to decrease the time when it can full charge. Some people are getting like 35 hours to do the charge and all that. That is what they are asking, right? Whether you are getting the same. So I was also getting the same. You might have to do some change in that charger, right? By default is 6 ampere, right? You can increase it to up till 12 ampere, and then the kilowatt hour, right, required, that also increases a little bit. So then the charge also becomes faster. So you will obviously it will be half the time that you are currently getting by the default behavior, right? And it depends, right? You can set that up. If you want to forget charge and forget and want to see the next day, keep it at 6. But if you really require a faster charger, you can always set it up to 12 and it will fast a little bit charger for faster for you. But
That
yeah,
video is also there in our channel video, so we can the link is in the description box, and you can go through it.
subscribe to the channel, right? So you will get the notification on people who are planning to buy this car, right? I'm sharing all my experiences that will be really helpful for you, right? It all comes for free. Just pressing that subscribe button doesn't take a long time for you, but it helps us a lot to actually keep making these videos, right? So and it helps to the other EV like this kind of videos where they also get to know a lot of things. So I would
Violet light you can see inside the car. This you can change, if you go to the screen and then settings and then general, and here you need to search ambient. हाँ ये आ गया. And then you have choice that which color you want to choose, and if you can do custom, then set custom color. So here suppose you given this one, okay, and now this color has changed to orange. इसमें बहुत सारा options है, and I am also still learning. ये मुझे खुश ने सिखाया.
Air purifier. I'll turn it on right now. Right now it's at 28. We can change the mode, the display, the filter, as you can see. We press on display, it will change the display. We press on mode, it will make noise, but now it's silent. Then filter use and time. Okay, that is the air purifier.